Welcome back to Future Cars Garage. Tesla fans, the wait is finally over. The rumors are true. Tesla has officially unveiled its $25,000 electric car, and it's about to change the game forever. Today, we're diving into everything you need to know: specs, features, performance, and why this could be the most important Tesla yet. Let's check it out. First, let's talk about the design. This new Tesla model features a sleek, aerodynamic body with smooth lines and a modern minimalist style. The LED headlights and taillights give it that signature Tesla futuristic look, while the flush door handles maintain the car's clean aesthetics. It's compact but sporty, perfect for city driving. Tesla has also used high-strength aluminum and steel, keeping it light but super safe. And yes, it comes in multiple stunning colors, including pearl white, midnight black, and metallic silver. Step inside, and you're greeted with the modern Tesla interior, minimalist yet luxurious. There's a large touchscreen infotainment system that controls almost everything: navigation, climate, media, and even gaming. The seats are premium synthetic leather, and the cabin is surprisingly spacious for a car in this price range. Tesla has also included wireless phone charging, premium audio, and enhanced cabin comfort, all in the $25,000 segment. Oh, and don't forget the Autopilot-ready features: lane assist, adaptive cruise control, and safety alerts come standard. Now, let's talk performance. This car is powered by a single electric motor, delivering instant torque for quick acceleration. Think 0 to 60 miles per hour in just around 6 seconds. The battery range is impressive, with up to 300 miles on a single charge, making it perfect for both city commuting and weekend trips. Tesla also uses fast charging technology, so you can recharge up to 80% in under 30 minutes at a Tesla supercharger. Safety is Tesla's top priority. This $25,000 car comes with 5-star crash ratings, multiple airbags, reinforced body structure, and advanced driver assistance features. It's autopilot ready, meaning Tesla's software can handle highway driving, lane keeping, and adaptive cruise. Over-the-air updates keep your car improving over time, something only Tesla can do in this price segment. So, how much does it cost? The base model starts at $25,000. Yes, that's right. Tesla is aiming to make electric cars affordable for the masses without compromising on performance, safety, or tech. Delivery is expected in the US first, followed by Europe and Asia. Pre-orders are open, and with Tesla's history of high demand, early booking is highly recommended. This is a huge moment for Tesla and the EV industry. A $25,000 Tesla is not just a car, it's a revolution. So, what do you think? Would you buy this car? Comment below, smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more Tesla updates, car reviews, and EV news.